Doing a pronated grip curl, what he's talking about is where your palm is facing down and then doing a curl like this up. Now that will hit the brachialis. A hammer curl, where your thumb is pointed up, will hit more of that brachioradialis, this muscle that's down here below the elbow. If you really want to focus on that brachialis especially, is something sort of like this preacher curl, where we're bringing the shoulder in a little bit, because what that does is it reduces the amount of bicep activation. So the only muscle that is really put at mechanical advantage is that brachialis, that muscle that runs right here underneath the bicep. What we're gonna do is you're gonna put your elbow on the top of a bench or a chair. So I'm shortening the bicep a little bit by bringing my shoulder forward. So that's gonna engage a little bit more of that brachialis. So what we're gonna do from here is you're going to drop your hand down to the bench, tap, and then back up. So those are much more isolation style exercises, things that bend the elbow without extending the shoulder. So I tried those and let me know how it goes. If you like this sort of workout and want to see more, I host these live streams on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 11 a.m. Pacific time.